I'm going to go over Revelation chapter 19 with you in this video because many people misinterpret the wedding supper of the Lamb. They seem to think that it happens before the tribulation, when in fact it does not. Revelation chapter 11 verse 16 is when the tribulation ends. That is when the last trumpet sounds and then signs start to appear in the sky. The first thing everyone sees is the Ark of the Covenant. The sky opens up and then they start seeing signs in the sky. They see the pregnant woman that gives birth, the dragon trying to take her baby, and then they see her fly into the wilderness where she is protected with the seal of God. Then they see the dragon being cast to the earth. They see the mark of the beast. And then on 14, the 144,000 meet Christ on Mount Zion. Then you have the three angels that preach the everlasting gospel in midair. One last warning for those not to take the mark of the beast. They say that Babylon is falling, and they say to fear God. And then after that, we have the harvest of the earth, which is what everyone calls the rapture, but it's really called the harvest of the earth. If you want to be biblically correct, if you want to go by how the Bible says it, you would say the harvest of the earth. You wouldn't say a rapture. Anyways, this is when those that have died in the Lord, those who have lost their lives for not taking the mark of the beast, the Spirit of God is put in them and they meet him in the air. And those who are still alive at that time, that have not lost their lives but were about to lose their lives, they will meet Christ in the air as well. After Revelation chapter 14, you have 15, where those who did not take the mark of the beast, those that were, taken up and met the Lord in midair, they sing with harps in their hands in 15. And then the 7 angels are given the 7 bowls of God's wrath. In chapter 16, the 7 bowls of God's wrath are poured down on the unrepentant. Then in Revelation chapter 17, it explains who Babylon is. And it's about the woman who rides the beast. Revelation chapter 18, Babylon is destroyed in 1 hour. She is destroyed in 1 hour. And then in Revelation chapter 19, this is the one I want to read because everyone seems to think